Hello and welcome to part 2. If you have not seen the STEMscopedia part 1 of evolutionary relationships, look at that now because we are going on to part 2. Making a phylogenetic tree. The data table below compares various traits of beetle-like insects. By counting the differences between pairs of beetles, you can create a phylogenetic tree, a branching diagram that shows the degree of relatedness among species of organisms. A phylogenetic tree also shows lines of descent through common ancestors. Write the number of differences between each pair of species on the difference charts to the right. When you identify the pairs with only one trait difference, write them at the top of the beetle phylogenetic tree, the ends of the branches, to show they are the most closely related. Next, connect these pairs with a common ancestor with a black dot. Lastly, connect the least similar pairs to a common ancestor at the bottom. So you will be filling out this chart, and with the information you find out from this chart, you will fill out this chart at the bottom, and you will put the closest related pairs in its position like this. And if they're far related, then we would separate them from here and here because they are further apart. So that is the secondary part that you fill out with the information determined from this chart. When you fill out this chart, you will not be filling out any of the gray boxes. You will only be filling out the white boxes. The white boxes that we're filling out are showing us the differences between two of the organisms represented by the letters. There are letters on the left and letters above. So in this first box here, A and B, we will be looking at the differences between insect A and insect B. The number of differences will go into this circle here. You can see below that some of the letters cannot work. For example, B and B, there cannot be any differences because they are the same organism. So let's go back up to our data table. We can see, looking at the first line, A, we can see several things about it. It's oval, it's yellow, its head color is white, it has no antenna present, it has jaws visible, yes, there are spots on the back, and the color of the spots are black. We can see from the other animals, B, C, D, E, and F, that not all of them are the same. But let's compare A to B. So the first thing we'll see is they have the same body shape. They're both oval, so there's no differences there. Of the color, they're both yellow. There's no differences there. Of the head color, we do see a difference between white and black. So we have one difference here. The antennas presents are the same? No. Jaws visible? Yes. Spots on the back? Yes. Color of the spots? Black. So we can see from filling out the chart that we have one difference on the head color. It has one, A has a white head color and B has a black head color. So we know when we fill out the table below between A and B, we will put in one difference because that is the amount of differences we spotted. So when you go down here, we will put in 1. You will look at this chart and find out the different information and fill out everything below based on all the things we have. We can see that some are more similar than others, and that will give you differences and similarities that you'll be able to fill out your charts with. I hope you found the STEMscope useful. As always, if there are any questions, feel very free to either ask the teachers during our office hours or write an email, whatever is more convenient for you. Hopefully I'll hear from you soon. Have a great day.